The US dollar, USD, has been the world's primary reserve currency for decades, playing a crucial role in global trade, finance, and economic stability. Despite challenges from emerging currencies and economic shifts, the dollar continues to dominate international transactions. Many factors contribute to its continued strength and widespread use. In this video, we will explore the top 10 reasons why the US dollar remains the world's leading reserve currency. 1. The stability of the U.S. economy. One of the primary reasons the U.S. dollar remains dominant is the relative stability of the U.S. economy. The United States has one of the largest and most resilient economies in the world, with a diverse industrial base, strong financial markets, and a history of economic growth. Investors and governments prefer holding a currency backed by a stable economy to minimize financial risks. 2. The strength of the U.S. financial system. The U.S. has one of the most developed financial systems, with well-regulated banks, deep capital markets, and a strong legal framework that protects investors. The U.S. financial system allows easy access to capital, making the dollar a preferred choice for international trade and investment. Other countries trust the system's reliability, further reinforcing the USD's role as a reserve currency. 3. Global trade and the petrodollar system. The US dollar is widely used in international trade, particularly in the oil and energy markets. Since the 1970s, many oil-producing nations have priced and sold oil exclusively in US dollars, creating the petrodollar system. Because oil is a crucial commodity, countries must hold dollars to buy and sell it, increasing global demand for the currency. 4. The dollar's role in international transactions. A significant portion of global trade transactions are conducted in US dollars. From commodities like gold and oil to manufactured goods and services, businesses and governments prefer using the dollar due to its stability and liquidity. This widespread usage makes it the default currency for international commerce. 5. The influence of the Federal Reserve. The U.S. Federal Reserve plays a key role in maintaining the dollar's value and stability. Through monetary policy tools such as interest rate adjustments and open market operations, the Fed ensures that the US dollar remains a reliable and attractive currency. Its ability to respond to financial crises further strengthens trust in the dollar. 6. US government debt and treasury bonds. US Treasury bonds are considered one of the safest investments in the world. Many central banks and investors hold US government debt because it offers a secure place to store wealth. Since these bonds are issued in dollars, the demand for U.S. debt helps sustain the dollar's position as the global reserve currency. 7. Network effects and historical dominance. The U.S. dollar has been the world's leading reserve currency since World War II, and this long-standing dominance has created a network effect. Since most countries, businesses, and financial institutions already use the dollar, there is little incentive to switch to another currency. The more entities use the USD, the stronger its position remains. 8. Lack of strong alternatives. While other currencies like the euro, Chinese yuan, and Japanese yen have grown in importance, none have yet replaced the US dollar. The euro has faced economic crises, the Chinese yuan is heavily controlled by the Chinese government, and the Japanese yen is primarily used in Asia. Without a strong alternative, the dollar continues to be the preferred choice for global reserves. 9. The role of the U.S. military and geopolitical influence. The U.S. has a strong global presence, both economically and militarily. This influence reinforces the dominance of the U.S. dollar, as many countries align their economic policies with the U.S. to maintain favorable trade and security relationships. The stability provided by the U.S. military indirectly supports the dollar's status as the world's reserve currency. 10. Liquidity and ease of exchange. The US dollar is the most liquid currency in the world, meaning it is easy to buy, sell, and exchange across different markets. This liquidity makes it attractive for central banks, businesses, and investors who need a stable and readily available currency for trade and investment. No other currency currently matches the ease with which dollars can be used worldwide. Despite global economic changes and discussions about alternative reserve currencies, the US dollar remains the dominant force in international finance. Its stability, strong financial institutions, deep liquidity, and widespread acceptance make it the go-to currency for governments, investors, and businesses. While challenges may arise in the future, the dollar's global reserve status is likely to continue for the foreseeable future.